Welcome back. Events are starting to shift now. In this episode, Jenny begins steering Mia towards cryptocurrency binary options trading, complete with so-called expert advice and the promise of impressive returns. Before we go further, I want to prepare you for something. What you're about to see may feel uncomfortable. Watching it unfold before your eyes is a bit like watching a train wreck in slow motion, but that's exactly why these lessons are important. If we can see how the scam works from the inside, we can learn how to stop it, how to protect ourselves. So let's continue with our behind-the-scenes journey, an inside look at a real-life cyberscam.
Warning: the following is a real-life cybercrime story. Names have been changed to protect privacy. This video contains stark reenactments that some people may find disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised. Monday, May 20th at 7:12 p.m.
Sister, I'm checking the trading volume of cryptocurrency today. Bitcoin has already risen significantly today. At present, the overall environment of cryptocurrency shows a bullish trend. There's hope our trading notes can increase correspondingly.
At 7:24 p.m.
Sister, what are you doing?
Jenny, I really don't know much about the stock market. I just had dinner, and now I'm relaxing and watching the news with my hubby.
Sister, I don't recommend investing in stocks. I used to trade stocks, but I lost money. The capital investment is too large, the controllability is very low, and the profit cycle is too long. Now I only follow my aunt to invest in options trading of cryptocurrencies. My aunt is a well-known senior analyst. She has many contacts, access to data, and years of investing experience. I trust her. Sister, what does your husband do for a living? Sis, you can study cryptocurrency in your spare time. You can earn a considerable income for yourself.
My husband works for the government. We aren't in the financial position to invest. However, I'm very impressed with your financial prowess. Good for you.
At 8:52 p.m.
Sister, I have already earned far more from cryptocurrency than from my fashion design studio. In fewer than 3 years, I have earned more than $9 million in profits from cryptocurrency options trading. Sister, I remember a quote from the famous American billionaire Warren Buffett. He said that we should make money work for us, rather than we work for money. I think this is very true.
Jenny, was that instilled in you as you grew up? Or has it been something you've learned as an adult?
Sister, since coming to the US after my divorce, my aunt has been teaching me. My aunt has had a long career in financial investing and has been extremely successful.
At 9:44 p.m.
Jenny, your aunt sounds like she is very accomplished.
Yes, and my aunt is also quite a philanthropist. Her annual donations to charity exceed $1 million a year.
Philanthropic indeed. You both are very generous with your money.
My aunt is a devout Christian, and we all believe in the concept that good will eventually be rewarded.
Jenny, most important is your relationship with God.
Sister, the time is very late. I'm going to take a bath and then go to bed. You should also rest. I look forward to chatting with you tomorrow. Good night, sister, and I wish you a good sleep, and tomorrow will be a wonderful day.
Tuesday, May 21st at 9:34 a.m.
Good morning, sister. Every morning is a new beginning. May your new day be filled with hope and motivation for a bright future.
Jenny, your positive morning greetings and affirmations are wonderful. Thank you.
Sister, I don't know if I've ever asked you before how much you get paid each month now.
Jenny, I've been on disability for several years due to my physical and mental limitations from my many surgeries. My monthly income is not very substantial.
Sister, your life is really so difficult. If you have the interest, I'd be very glad to take you along to learn about the options trading of cryptocurrency with me. I suggest that you can start learning with $100 to $200. We can have a profit of 30% to 50% for each transaction. but there are only 3 to 5 trading opportunities every month. In this way, you can earn some money to subsidize your household expenses. Sister, do you have a crypto wallet?
I don't know what that is. So no.
Sister, I'll start by teaching you how to download a crypto wallet from your mobile app store.
Okay.
Sister, you can also search and download the cryptocurrency exchange company app from your mobile app store. If there's time now, I can teach you.
I have time now.
And here, the actual swindle begins. 3 days later, Thursday, May 23rd at 6 p.m.
Jenny, I just received a call from my bank's fraud department asking if I made a transaction. She cleared whatever she needed to, so I should be good to go now.
Sister, banking institutions nowadays always want to keep your personal assets in the bank. Know that banks rely on customers to deposit money in their banks, and then they use those deposits to lend out and make profits from bank loans. So the loss of customer funds is not good for the bank. When you talk to your banker, ask them to allow you to use your funds. You can be tough. These are your own funds, and you have the right to control them.
Jenny, I'm a bit frazzled by all of this. We can try another time. Thank you so much for your help. I have a Bible study for which I need to prepare. Have a nice evening.
Sister, you go study the Bible. When you have time, we will continue. Sister, in a person's life, how much wealth can be accumulated does not depend on how much money you can earn. Instead, it depends on how you manage your finances and invest. The difference between the rich and the poor is that the rich know how to make money with money. We should learn to work hard when it's time to work hard. The pain of growth is far better than the pain of regret, and the joy of victory is far better than the comfort of failure.
Wow, you should be a motivational speaker. Jenny, I'm nervous about this new venture, but my excitement is greater. Plus, I trust you, and that means the world to me.
Sister, for any dream to become real, we have to take that first brave step. Life is all about continuous growth. Sis, when we were toddling as little children, we kept falling down and getting up. We didn't give up walking just because we once fell. In life, those who can learn and do well are often not the so-called smart people, but instead those who are willing to act.
Jenny, thank you so much for not rushing me and for caring so I don't make mistakes.
Jenny motivates Mia by using life lesson metaphors and spiritual appeals. Notice the blend of encouragement and subtle urgency. And in the upcoming segment, we'll see how the scam progresses over the next several days. The criminal scammer, Jenny, guides the victim, Mia, who invests greater and greater amounts of money. It starts with smaller amounts, a few $100s, but we'll see how it quickly escalates to multiple $1,000, $5,000, and $10,000 so-called investments. Investments in what is really a bogus cryptocurrency binary options scam. But periodically, the scammer stops and spends time on what feels like genuine relationship building with Mia. The extra effort is to maintain personal engagement. It's designed to keep Mia believing Jenny is a helpful friend and a mentor, someone who can be trusted.
Monday, May 27th at 4:36 p.m.
Sister, have you and your husband arrived home safely from your weekend trip?
We just walked in the door. It's nice to be home.
At 7:19 p.m.
Sister, my dinner tonight was just a simple serving of dumplings. When I was a child, I often ate the dumplings made by my mother. After coming to the US, I can now only buy frozen dumplings that are mass-produced. I always feel that these are not as delicious.
Although those look very good, Jenny, I bet they cannot compare to the deliciousness of your mother's cooking.
Yes, sister. As I ate the dumplings, my mind drifted back to the time I spent with my mom. Sister, what are you eating tonight?
Do any of your friends or family know about me? I am eating restaurant food. It's not very healthy, but it's fast and convenient.
Sister, when I was recently chatting with my aunt, I mentioned how we met. I mentioned that your life has been hard. My aunt smiled and said, our meeting was guided by God. She said it's not easy for a person to make a true friend in this life. Friends should help each other. My aunt is a very loving and charitable person.
Jenny, I believe our meeting was guided by God too. I am enjoying getting to know you and will do what I can to grow our friendship. Your aunt is wise.
Sister, I mentioned to my aunt that I was teaching you about cryptocurrency. She was pleased that I could be your teacher.
Yes, it sounds good. I have a full morning tomorrow, but should be able to spend time with you in the afternoon.
Sister, we don't have to rush. When you have time, I will teach you the remaining steps. We will take it slow, step by step. Sister, what do you think?
Sounds great.
I'm going to take a shower and then go to bed. Good night, sister. Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams to you too.
The scammer's patience is amazing. Jenny engages with Mia in casual banter over food recipes and then exploits Mia's spirituality by talking about how God supernaturally prompted their friendship. It's all a form of mind control. It's a perverse manipulation of the victim's goodwill and her human emotions. Let's now jump ahead to the next day and see how Jenny starts to give step-by-step technical guidance to Mia as the cyber fraud painfully unfolds before our very eyes.
Tuesday, May 28th at 8:59 p.m.
Sister, the mobile payment app you registered for yourself belongs to your account. In the future, after we make profits from trading in the crypto options exchange, we'll withdraw the profits into your payment app and then convert the Bitcoin into US dollars and transfer the dollars to your bank. This sounds very complicated, but actually it's very simple. Sister, I will teach you step by step so you don't have to worry. We use the mobile payment app to exchange cash for Bitcoin, which we then transfer to a crypto options trading platform. When transactions are profitable, we transfer the profit back to the payment app and then deposit it to your bank in the form of US dollars.
Oh my goodness, Jenny. I have so much to learn.
Sister, now open your payment app and take a screenshot for me.
Tuesday, May 28th at 9:22 p.m.
Jenny, can we continue this tomorrow morning at 9 a.m.?
Sis, you enjoy your night tonight. I'm ready to take a shower and go to bed. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., you can start your cryptocurrency options trading learning journey.
Oh boy. Thanks, Professor Jenny. Good night. Sweet dreams.
Good night, sister. I hope you will be surrounded by sweet dreams tonight, too.
Sweet dreams are about to become a nightmare. We're now 2 weeks into the scam. Mia is learning the ropes of crypto investing, but it's more than a lesson, it's the beginning of entrapment. Stay tuned for the next video, where the money stakes begin to grow and grow. Please like, share, and subscribe. And visit ericrod.com for free informational resources and to support my educational mission. Thanks for watching.